Hey guys, it's Bernie, and I'm a hippo. And today, we're going to the bank. And today, we're going to talk about a personal loan.
Ooh.
A personal loan is money that is given to you from the bank.
Yeah!
It's called a personal loan because it's, you guessed it, for something personal. It can be used for paying your medical bills, for moving expenses, or it can be used for buying toys, buying games, for even buying coconuts.
Woo!
You can use a personal loan for anything.
Oh, yeah!
To get the loan, you make an agreement with the bank. You pay back the money that they give you until the money is paid back in full. When you take a loan from the bank, you are called the borrower, and the bank is called the lender. Let's say you take out a loan for $100. The bank gives you $100.
Thank you!
You agree to pay the bank $20 a month, January, February, March, and so on $20 a month. The bank wants to make money off the loan, so the bank charges you something called interest. Interest is the portion of the loan that is paid to the bank. It's their fee for lending you the loan. So, your payment is divided into two parts. The principal, this is the loan, and the interest, this is the fee. Put these two together and you have a personal loan. If you miss payments on the personal loan, then you can be charged a fee.
Not you again!
If you miss more than 2 payments, then the bank will close out your loan and send it to a collection agency.
Oh, come on!
If your loan goes to a collection agency, it's like you being in jail.
What?
And to get out of jail, you have to pay your loan in full. So, it is very important that you always pay your loan on time. Yeah! Now that we know the basics of a personal loan, let's go to the bank and get a personal loan. Hi there, Alfie. It's great to see you again. I would like to get a personal loan.
Well, of course, Uncle Bernie. I would be happy to take your personal loan application. A personal loan application is the process where we take your personal information and place it into the banking system and process the system to qualify you for the personal loan. To qualify you for the personal loan, we need to check your credit history and your credit score. You can have a good credit score, a bad credit score, or an excellent credit score.
Woo!
We also look at your income. Income is what your job pays you. Therefore, if you're a firefighter, or a policeman, or a software engineer, you get paid from this position, and the money that they pay you is called your income. To be qualified for a personal loan, you need to have a good credit score, a good credit history, and good income. Well, Uncle Bernie, after running your application, it looks like you have an amazing credit score,
Woohoo!
amazing credit history,
Yeah!
and amazing income.
Woohoo!
Your personal loan has been approved.
Oh, yeah!
This is your loan agreement. It's also called a contract. It details the amount that you will pay the bank and when you will pay the bank. Always pay attention to the amount that you're paying back, your interest rate, and how long you have to pay it back. If you have any questions, do not leave the bank until you fully know what you're getting yourself into.
I understand.
Wow, what an adventure that we had today. We received our first personal loan, $100.
Yahoo!
Now we can go buy those toys that we wanted to buy.
Woohoo!
Did you like the adventure that we went on today? Yeah! Subscribe to our channel and like this video to see more Animal Bank. Join us next time, kiddos, and see what we're going to learn next, because we're going to the bank. Let's go!
Ay, tú sabes, mami. Ja, vamos para allá, vamos para allá. No quiero más problemas. Quiero más fiesta.